Google's Nano Banana 2 is a big upgrade for AI image generation. In this video, I'll show you where you can use Nano Banana 2 for free and highlight some of the tools that can help you improve your results. Now, the first and what I would describe as the simplest place to use Nano Banana 2 is in Google's Gemini. To get started, just make sure you're signed in with your Google account, select Create Image, and you're ready to go. Gemini has also started rolling out a number of style presets that you can apply to an existing still. So here I've selected Gothic Clay and uploaded a photo of Albert Einstein, which produced this. Existing features continue to improve. You can upload your existing images, write out your prompt, and Nano Banana 2 will generate consistent characters in the new scene. Images can also be easily modified. So for example, you could colorize a black and white photo or remove an object from an image using a simple prompt. And of course, you can just use a text prompt to generate an image if you prefer. Now, if you want to control the aspect ratio, for example, creating a 16:9 image for YouTube or a 9:16 image for vertical content, you can simply include that in your prompt. Those using the free plan can generate up to 20 images per day, but keep in mind the images created in Gemini will have a watermark in the bottom right corner. Now, the next way to generate images for free is directly through Google Search. To do this, you'll need to select AI mode. Once AI mode is active, you can ask for an image just like you would in Gemini. So for example, I'll prompt for an image of tunneling to the center of the Earth. Along with the image, Google will also provide additional context and information related to your prompt, such as why tunneling to the center of the Earth is still science fiction, along with facts about real-world deep Earth drilling. You'll also see links to web pages if you want to explore the topic further. But if you're looking for more control when creating images, you should take a look at Google Flow. Flow is Google's creative studio designed for AI filmmaking. While it's often used for generating videos, it also includes Nano Banana 2 as a powerful image engine. One of Flow's improved features is keeping your generated images organized in folders, which makes it much easier if you want to come back later and reuse them. Now, just like in Gemini, you can generate an image from a text prompt or upload a file or multiple files, and then describe the scene you want to create. Another really useful feature is that your uploaded images are saved for future use, so you don't have to keep uploading the same files every time you want to work with them. Flow also gives you more control over image layout. For example, you can select whether your image should be 16:9 landscape or 9:16 portrait. You can also generate up to 4 images at once using the same prompt, which makes it easier to compare variations and choose the best one. And when it comes to image models, Flow gives you some options as well. In addition to Nano Banana 2, you can also use Nano Banana Pro or Imagen 4. Now, the initial resolution for generated images is around 1K, but on the free plan, you can upscale the images to 2K resolution. If you want to upscale to 4K, that will require a paid plan. Now, another upscaling option I use regularly is Gigapixel from Topaz Labs. It is a paid tool, but it can upscale images up to 6 times their original resolution, and it includes several different upscaling models. If you're interested, I've included a link to Gigapixel in the description below. Now, once your image is generated, Flow also gives you several tools to edit and refine the image. You can crop the image, draw directly on it to indicate changes, or select a specific target area you want to modify. For example, if you wanted to change the number on this board, I can highlight the area, write a prompt asking Nano Banana 2 to change the number, and the model understands exactly what I want and updates the image. You can also do things like change the color of objects. So here I've prompted to make this apple green, or make adjustments like changing the sky to make this scene more dark and gloomy. Another nice feature is that all versions of your image are saved. So if you're not happy with a change, you can easily go back to an earlier version. Flow also integrates with Google's VO video models, which means you can easily use your generated images as a starting frame or ending frame for a video. On the free plan, you should be able to generate about 2 videos per day. As for the number of free images, similar to Gemini, you can expect a 20 image daily limit. But unlike Gemini, images created in Flow do not have a visible watermark. Gemini, AI Mode in Google Search, and Flow are all great ways to access Google's latest image generation technology for free. Each one offers a slightly different experience, and if you eventually find you need to generate more images per day, you can explore Google's subscription options or other services such as OpenArt that offer a range of image generation plans. But as a starting point, the free features available, especially in Flow, are extremely useful for creating, refining, and experimenting with your images.